Live next door to your business in Caldwell. Property features a 900 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 1-story home with business opportunity next door. Home features carpet and vinyl flooring, laminate countertops and open floor plan. Located on 7 acres and half-mile off Interstate 64 at Harts Run/WSS exit. 5 miles from the Greenbrier Resort. The property also features a 10,000 square feet commercial space, has been the past location of the popular nightclub venue known as the Clover Club.